Come if I'm do tax, Jonas. I'm do parking quoi pour bailler là. Ou pas moi on baille 10.99. C'est pas 4.99 no. C'est 5.99 Jonas. You're so stupid. You don't understand.
Can you open the door?
No, I'm not going to open the door. You got the tax? Do you got the tax for me to open the door, Jonas? Do you got it? You don't got the tax for that. Why I'm giving? I'm going to pour casser machine moi.
Hey, I'm sorry about
Come to
that.
break my car?
Huh?
My car right there.
No, we're throwing the
I
ball.
don't got
Me and my
accidents on
friend
the car. You
John
want to
over
break
there.
my car?
No, me and my friend John
You
over
come
there.
to break my car. Jump. Jesus Christ. On y a encore une frappe machine moi. C'est moi. Moi that's right. Yeah. You don't need. You don't need. You don't trip. Yeah. You don't elbow. Yeah. What the hell's going? Oh my God. Chris.
Hey, man, listen. My dad. I'm sorry. It wasn't our fault. Yo, man, what are you doing? Whoa, man.
To the top. To the top.
I don't give a shit.
Come on, man. Come on.
Not playing it.
What? Yeah. I'm coming. Oh my God.
Sortez comme ça, hein?
No.
Pas qu'on aime qu'on crée, hein?
I don't give a shit,
What's wrong
bro.
with you, man?
I don't care. Patience, or I'm stealing crap out of my gardens. All my mangoes are gone.
What?
No, I'm not fucking playing. It was fucking. You boys where I've been? Me tell you I bless you there.
You speak Creole?
Yeah. Wap con job.
Stay back down.
Wait.
Rate law.
Okay.
Ou bien ma belle business law.
No, okay. Wait.
What's going on?
Oh my God.
Okay, you rate law.
I'm so sorry,
Let
please.
go.
Why you put him?
Ou pas qu'on est qui est moyen. Yeah, c'est King Luga Woo.
Woo! Wait, foot.
King Luga Woo.
Put him.
That's right.
Wait. Shit.
King Hooga.
Ay.
Go Voodoo. Take that.
Come on, John. Shit. Wait.
Come on, John. Beat his ass and get out of here. All right.
Yeah. Oh, shit. My ass with my white Haitian. Stay the hell out of my garden. Not stealing my mangoes anymore. Chris, I got him, Chris. Wait. Shit. Oh, my God. What? Come on. Jonas. Oh, shit.
What happened to you?
They put him in, Jonas. Yo put him. Yo voodoo, Jonas. Bro, yo kon voodoo plus mal passé ici.
Wow.
Oh, shit, Jonas. They beat your ass. They beat your ass.
You got put?
Get them motherfucker. So got him. Yo foot battle. Konya. Yo put him. Jonas mouille.
What? Dad, come on, Dad. You're still alive. Oh my God. Dad.
Pas moi, Jonas mouille. Mouille. Dale. Oui. Chaud là, dale. Ok. Mais qu'on est mouille.
We gotta call the police. Oh shit. Oh my God. We got beat up by white Haitians. Come on, Dad.
I am. I'm dead, Jonas. I'm dead. Yo battle. Et puis yo put him.